An event like this is an awesome moment for us, so we're so happy to have you. We want you to have fun, we want you to ask questions, we want you to cook this stuff at home.
What's up, Steelers fans? Trey Edmunds here, Tevin Jones, and we here with UPMC Magee-Womens Hospital here celebrating Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Well, we had a wonderful nutritional demonstration. It was very informational. I'm a gardener. It was really fun. They were really funny. Kind of takes the edge off, doesn't make you think about what you're going through.
So for me to have a chance to meet a Steeler and to get their autograph and to be able to have my picture taken with them, I mean, I'm excited. I feel like a little kid.
I always feel it's important to give back because they give us so much love and they travel so much, and our Pittsburgh family is just all loving. So sometimes it's good to get out of the football aspect, but seeing them face to face, it just gives me an extra burst of energy.
You know, I like to think that our food was pretty good, so we had a good time. I'm glad I came, and it was truly a blessing. 1, 2, 3.
Go Steelers! We're here to celebrate the new renovation of our Diagnostic Evaluation Center, where we have moved it from the first floor to the 5th floor of a Western Psychiatric Hospital.
As you can see, we really tried to make the environment very pleasing to the eye for our consumers and their families.
We're very excited about it because it gave us the opportunity through the renovation to address some of the concerns that our consumers, patients, families, and community had experienced when they visited. We really got to listen to their concerns and pull them into the planning and then actually design the space to be the best patient experience that we can provide. Behavioral health and who it afflicts is not specific to any one population or group of patients. And so we really wanted to put a lot of diversity photos and murals throughout the evaluation center. Western Psych really is a support for the community, for those patients experiencing a mental health issue. We're here. We want you to come if you need to come, and we want patients to be safe and have a good patient experience while they're here. Because we care about our community, we care about our patients, and we want to take good care of our behavioral health patients.
I Look Like a Cardiologist is the second program of its kind, where we invited a bunch of high school students to come in and spend half a day with faculty, fellows, residents, medical students to talk about what it takes to become a cardiologist. Cardiac disease is the #1 killer across all of America and across most parts of the world these days. It's really important that our doctors look like our patients. And what's really important for a lot of our students to recognize is that our faculty and our fellows are also coming from different life experiences. Maybe it's a different sexuality. Maybe it's that they grew up in a family where no one else went to college, let alone medical school. To let these students know that they're not alone and that this is hard and we get that, but that it is something that we can overcome and that it's important to persist through some of those barriers for the future of medicine for us to look like our patients do.
We are celebrating the grand opening of the Nora Grace Kaufman Center for Creative Arts Therapy at Children's Hospital. And what this is truly a dream world behind a set of double doors that lets every child who is here inpatient for a hospitalization or procedure or some type of medical treatment to step into a dream world. And really behind those doors, you no longer feel like you're in the hospital.
There's toys in here? There's all kinds of things in here.
It's so incredible to have all of these features of creative arts therapy in one comprehensive hub because it allows for any patient to walk through the doors and to customize treatment to what they need. We work to help set goals. If they're going through something with medical testing or a procedure, it provides ways for them to channel and express their emotions about this experience.